What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be about thumbnail. Thumbnail. So, what's thumbnail and why is thumbnail so important? Well, thumbnail is the first thing that your viewers see when they click search for your videos, and it is the thing that will determine if they will click on it or not. So that's why you need to make your thumbnail so good and aesthetic as possible, so that when people see it, it actually brings them to click through the videos and watch it. So if your thumbnail is like very ugly looking and is not suitable to the eye, then they're just gonna scroll even if the content is that good. So that's why thumbnail is so important in YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your thumbnail look as aesthetic as possible, as good as possible, as eye-catching as possible, that will drive a lot of viewers to click in through your video. But before we dive into the video, I just want to make a quick announcement, which is, if you're new to this channel, please tap that red subscribe button down below, and also hit that notification bell to get updated on when my videos come up. And also give this video a thumbs up to help the algorithm boost it up and make it reach more people. And let's get right into the video. So the app we're going to be using for this video is called Pixel Lab, and the reason I love this app is because it has great and amazing features, which I'm going to show you guys during this video. But first, we're going to be choosing our picture for the thumbnail. Then we're going to be picking our aspect ratio. Go to image size, then YouTube thumbnail 1920 by 1080. Then we click OK. Then we drag the picture to the fit. Next, we're gonna go add this. I'm gonna add some shapes. I want to make it looks like it's saying something, so I put a comment type of shape. Then I shift the picture to a side. You'll get why soon. Then tweet, add some effects. Next, I added another shape just to like cover the other side. I really love the triangle, so I used the triangle. Then I dragged it and make it fit. You can be creative in your own space. I'm just doing what I know works for me and what I know suits me. So you can do anything you want with your thumbnail, as long as you don't mess it up. You like it, and as long as you can feel it, you can relate with it, you can do anything you want. You can be creative with this app. This app has a lot of features, and the thing that I love most about this app is that you don't get to find any watermarks or anything like that. It's totally free. You can get it on the Google Play Store. So I added some text and put it on the comments shape. Then give it some color, add some textures, add some boldness and some italics, just making the letters look good and eye-catching. So how to improve my YouTube thumbnail. Next, I added text on the other side, which I put the shapes. How to make better YouTube thumbnails. Then I had to change the position a little bit, and then I make it. I realized this doesn't work. Then I went to change the font and give it a new font. This looked good. So next I went and gave it some colors. I really like the color blue. It really matches with the red, so I gave it a light blue, something like a sky blue. Then I went on down and go give the YouTube its own color, which is red and black. I really can't figure out that, so I know it's just, let's not go there. So I try to make it as organized as possible. Make it. You can just be creative with this app. You can do anything as long as your creativity takes you there. You can do anything with this app. Like seriously,
when it comes to thumbnail, you can do anything. This app is there for you when it comes to thumbnail. You can make it look, give it some 3D, and then I try to shift the background back so it gives that YouTube, the tube and the YouTube, the background red look like. I just want to make it look more like YouTube logo. So to making this, then I had to repeat the same thing for almost everything just to make them look good. With my phone, with Android phone, I mean. So paint that, make that black, give it some embroideries. I think we're done. Then you had to hit save as image, don't save as project, and boom, we're done.
So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys learned a thing or two about how to make thumbnail from the video. And please leave a like and comment down below on what other contents you want to see on my channel, and I'll keep them rolling. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on that bell notification to get more updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!